In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of a Canva template. If you've ever started a design and realized you need it in a different format, maybe turning a social post into a presentation slide or a poster, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to resize it without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and head to Canva's website. Once you're there, log into your account. Being signed in ensures you can access your existing designs and templates and that you'll see all the tools available to your plan. On the home page, find the template or design you want to resize. You can select something from your recent designs, your folders, or search for the template by name. Click to open it so you're looking at the editor with your design on the canvas. At the top of the editor, look for the Resize option. It's typically located near the right side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click it. This opens a panel with a wide range of preset sizes and formats. If you already know the destination format, like Instagram post, presentation, poster, or YouTube thumbnail, select it here. This is the fastest way to convert a design to a new size, and Canva will handle the dimension change for you. If you see multiple related options, use the search bar in that panel to find the exact format you need. If you have very specific dimensions in mind, choose custom size. Here you can type in the exact width and height you want. You can also switch units to match your needs. Pixels are best for digital graphics, while inches or millimeters are more appropriate for print. Adjust both values carefully to get the result you want. Keep in mind that changing dimensions can alter your layout, especially when moving between different aspect ratios. After resizing, you may need a moment to fine-tune the placement of text and images so everything looks balanced and nothing is cut off. A quick note before you proceed, the Resize feature is part of Canva's paid subscription. If you don't see the option or it's grayed out, it's likely because your account doesn't include this feature. In that case, you'll need access to a plan that supports resizing to follow along exactly as shown. And that's it! You've learned how to find your design, open the Resize panel, choose a preset format, or set a custom width, height, and unit to match your project. With these tools, you can quickly adapt one design to multiple platforms and formats while keeping a consistent look.